Hi, I am Marcus. Oh, I forgot. Hi, I am Dr. Mark. Hi, I am Mark. Hi, I am Dr. Marcus Kauffman from Coventry University, and this is my 60 seconds.
Your most embarrassing moment.
Well, one of the most embarrassing moments I have is I turn up to a customer visit in one of our large original equipment manufacturing partners in the UK, and I went to the wrong reception.
The most daring thing you've ever done.
That I like to do was dirt biking and going up 45, 50 degree inclination hills with a bike.
One thing you have never done but you want to.
I think skydiving.
One technology that you're gung-ho about.
I'm very keen to help and to push AI as much as I can.
Your one big dream.
I think for me, it would be to see that I made a difference, I left a mark, and I helped people that I work with.
Your most memorable work from home memory.
We were having a very large video call with probably 20, 30 colleagues in it. And my two little boys walked in with lightsabers, dressed up as Star Wars characters.
What would you be doing if you weren't doing what you do now?
I think I probably would be in South America being a farmer, which is what my dad does in Brazil.